This is Claus treating my 2-year-old nephew like a cat.
Get it, Bubba, man.
Follow it, Bubba. Get it. You gonna get it? You gonna get it?
Get it, Bub. Get it. Whoa!
Get it, Bubba.
Graceful he is not.
Uh-oh.
Look.
It's in there with you.
It's in there with you. Look. Look, Bubba man. Look.
Behind you.
Behind you. David, he's treating you like a cat. Bathroom? Is he in the bathroom? Probably. Heather Lynn. You're Rudolph. And you're an asshat. Quit doing that to her.
Blah. It's on stomach.
Thanks.
Oh, no.
You swallowed it.
It's still there. Get it off. It's still there.
You
Look.
swallowed it. It's shining through your tummy. Look.
It's still there. Look. It's on your belly button.
Better not get too close of a shot of that trash can over there.
You seen that, the spots.
We got go power right in the kisser.
Power in the kisser.
Right at the red dot. That's what you gotta aim for.
Power in the kisser, dude.
We're right there.
Go pow. Right in the kisser. Come on.
Don't open your mouth, but you can come up here. What?
Power in the kisser. Put it on the curtain in
I don't
front of him.
know. I don't know.
Look! 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 Look at the curtain! Look!
I don't know.
Look!
Did you eat it?
Power in the kisser, dude. Okay, fine. Kiss her in the kisser. Give her a kiss. You can give her a kiss.
I don't know. Where'd it go? It gone.